I'm only human, y'all. I'm only human, y'all.
Now this video is going to be showing you how to make your own pattern. So this video was requested by, and forgive me if I don't pronounce this right, Lau Guerrero 1 and Bootyful Love. So thank you for requesting this video. Now the first way you can do it is by tracing it. What you're going to want to do is just get a garment that you have, a tank top, whatever type of pattern, pants. You're going to lay it on the fabric, or if you want, you can use the poster board. Just trace around it on the fabric and then cut it out. And the second way is, now the way I do it is I could just look at something and then draw it. Now if you can't do that, your best bet is just to trace a garment that you have. Now there's a few basic must-have patterns that you need, and you'll be able to make whatever you want. As long as you have, let's see, let me get my pattern. The bodice, which is the tank top. If you have this pattern, you could make anything. You can do like a V-neck, you can do a scoop neck, all types of things with this pattern. So if you have this one, this is pretty good one. You can just alter it to different type of designs that you want. You just get a newspaper. And what you're going to do is just put it against your body, and then you just trace where your armhole will be at, and for your waist. Now, if this newspaper is too small for you, you can just open it up and then do it like that. And for the waist, you can just make it a little bit smaller than what the newspaper is, because it's just going to go in and go back out like that for your hips. You just want to trace right here for the neckline. Now that would be for the front. Now for the back pattern, it's going to be the same thing, but you're not going to cut this corner. Now for the second pattern that you need is either your shorts or your pants pattern. If you have a short pattern like this, you could make the pants out of it, because all you would do is just make it longer. How I made this was I just got the newspaper to cut out one of the corners, which is this is going to be for the front. Now for the back, it's going to be the same thing, but you're just going to make this a little bit longer, because that's going to be for your, your butt. So that's for the short. And now the third one would have to be the sleeves. You have to have a sleeve pattern. Now this pattern, I had got this one from a pattern that I had for a dress. So I just got that pattern and traced it. And you could also make this into a short sleeve pattern. All you would have to do is cut it to whatever the length that you want. Mine, I don't know if you could see, but I have it marked right there for short sleeve. So you would just trace it around this part, and then you would just cut it right here. My sleeve pattern that I have is too big, so what I usually do is just cut this piece off on the fabric, and it usually fits me just fine. For the sleeve, it's pretty easy to make this pattern. All you would have to do is get the newspaper, place it right here, and then kind of measure. You're going to want to kind of measure where your how big your armhole would be. And as you get to where the bottom of the sleeve would be, you're going to kind of taper it inward. That'll be your sleeve pattern. Now, if you wanted to make it like the pattern that I always use, I like my sleeves to have like poofy sleeves, which you're going to probably want to add like 3 more inches so you could gather the fabric. So instead, you can do it more low. You would just trace it from right here and then all the way down in the same thing. So that's the sleeve pattern. That's pretty easy. Okay, these ones aren't ones that you really need, but they're good to have so you can have more of a variety of things to make. Like this one, the hoodie. Now for the hoodie pattern, it's going to be a little bit difficult to make this one if it's your first time. It took me about 2 times to figure it out right. And what you're going to do is basically make the shape of your head. So this is the part that's going to be like this. Okay, and if you want, you could measure that part just so you could be a little bit more accurate. Kind of make your head shape, and then you're going to go inwards right here, because this is going to be where your neck is at. Just going to make a line right here and kind of dip, because that's where it's going to connect right here for like the zipper. Okay, and the next one is a pocket pattern. Now this one's one type of pocket, which would be for like something like this. But another type of pocket, I don't have a pattern for it, would be, let's see if you can see this, would be for something like this. And it's more of like a rounder shape. So these are all the basic patterns that you need, and you can make whatever. I mean, you can make hoodies, you can make tank. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it helped you girls out. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Any requests, just put a comment below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I'm only human, y'all.